What's up people, welcome to Cash channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make good money. You can make $5,000 every blessed day into your account from around the world. That's great, right? Now all I want from you is subscribe to my channel, like our videos, comment on the comment section below, and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post videos on how you can make money online, you be the first to watch and you run with it. That's great, right? Now I'm going to be showing you, for those of you who sells electronics, you sell gadgets, materials, anything at all you can think of, I'll show you a site you can go buy these things at a very moderate price and resell. Now here is it. Let's go. Aliexpress.com. Now you don't have to bother yourself because I'm going to put the link right there on the comment section, so you can just go there, click the link, and boom, you're going. Okay, here we are. Aliexpress.com. That's loading. Wow, look at this. Nothing, absolutely nothing you're looking for that you cannot find in this site. They have virtually anything at all you're looking for. You see gadget, you see that. Okay, let me show you something. Look at the categories. See women clothing, men, you see phones, you see computer and office, security, consumer electronics, jewelries, watch, home, garden, bags, shoes, toy, kids, baby, sport, beauty, health, hair, automobile, motorcycle, everything you are looking for, you will find it. I can give you that guarantee that you find it here. And what you'll be doing is, first, what you need to do is you need to sign up. You need to register with them. Once you register with them, this is the registration button here. Join for free, absolutely for free. You come here, you put your email address, and you create an account. That's great. Once you create an account, they'll send you a link to your email. Follow the link, click it, and confirm your registration. Boom, you are on air and you're on your way to making money. Now let's take an instance of this. Okay, let's go to phones and accessories. You see Android phones, it's loading. Give it a few moments. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Here we go. Okay. Cell phones. Let's give it a few moments. Loading. Okay, here we are now. Wow, look at this. This is just $32 plus shipping fee. Let's say everything roughly $35. And you see the configuration of this phone: 4 gig RAM, 64 gig RAM, 13 megapixel, and you can sell this phone for over $100 and something when you buy and you resell. This is how you make your money. All you need to do is come here, buy cheap electronics, buy them very cheap, and they are brand new. You are buying. The beauty of this site is you are buying directly from the production company, the companies that produce them. You are buying directly from them through these sites. Once you buy them like this, you resell them and you make real good cash. You can even make 100% profit from any product you buy from here. I'm telling you what I've done. I've experienced it, and it has a lot of gain. So all you need to do, register, buy affordable goods, and resell them in your country of choice. They ship to any part of the world, and you sell and make real good money. Sounds good, right? That's beautiful. Now all you need to do is like our videos, comment on the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime you are posting videos on how you can make money online, you'll be the first to watch the videos and you run with it. Now look at this toolbox. Before I go, look at this toolbox. It's just $4.40 with the shipping fee. Let's say roughly there's about $14. And look at this, you can sell this for over $150. That's great, beautiful, and shipping is very fast to any part of the world you ship. Now don't forget, open the comment section, you'll see the website address there. Click on the link and it will launch you directly here and you register. Wow, that's great. Have a wonderful time. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you act